What's up, YouTube land? Today I came out here to run my 89 50 horse Evinrude. I charged up the batteries yesterday. Should still be fine. It's about 45 degrees here right now. I'm in Georgia, North Georgia, so it's not too cold. But talking winterizing outboards, two-stroke outboards in particular, you can use fuel stabilizer such as or you can just go out and run them. Now, I realize in a lot of places, a lot of folks can't just go take their boat to the boat ramp. Fortunately, I'm only about 15 minutes from the boat ramp, so it's not too bad for me, and the plug is on the inside of this one. It's not too bad for me to come out here, just run it, just back it in the water and let it run, because that's the best method. I mean, you can do what you want to do, honestly, but the best way I found to winterizing ruins them, if you ask me. It's better to just back them off in the water and let them run a few minutes. That's the best way to do it. That's gonna be one. It's probably gonna be just one whole video. I probably won't stop much. I'll put a picture of the fuel stabilizer you should get, and always run ethanol-free gas if you can. I know a lot of places don't carry it, but if you can find it, it's best to run it in here, because the ethanol will get in these lines right here, inside of here. And if you don't run it, if you don't constantly keep fuel running through it, it'll just gunk up in there. And then you're out, you know. Your lines stop up. Listen to that. Woo. I ain't used it in a little over a month. If you have to run, you know, if you can get it out and run it about once a month. If you can get it out and get your boat out, run it about once a month if you can. Let's back it down in the water. I think we need to, oh crap, look at this. I'm not so sure that tire's gonna make it back. I didn't see that. Oh dang. I might be changing the tire on the way home. Hopefully it'll make it back to the shop. We ain't but 15 minutes from where I keep it parked at, but I didn't see that till now. Whoops. Guess I'm gonna need a new tire. Hopefully I'm gonna have to take the slow way home. Let's back her on down in the water here. Yep, fine. I'm doing this so I can see better out the back. I think, let's see how we're looking here. We got boat we got in the water back here. Yeah, we got enough in the water. That should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and just shut the truck down. Ain't like, you know, there's a whole lot of people waiting at the boat ramp. I guess a lot of people don't like taking their boats out when it's freezing cold. Oh me. Let's leave that open. I don't care. If you're wondering how that got broke, a good friend of mine was standing right there, and I got in the throttle about the same time he started to move, and he fell into it and broke it. Just hang on a second. Here, y'all hang out right there. Hang out with me just a minute right here. I need both hands. So we can get her to fire off here. Get it down in the water. And yes, you can hook it up to a water hose if you'd like. But personally, I'd rather bring it down to the water, because it's gonna, you know, it's better. It's better to get it in the water, because So it has to try a little harder when you put it in the water. Come on. Yeah, give her a few minutes. She'll get there. She'll get there. Got to get warmed up now. Let me interject just a second. The noise, the rattling that you're hearing is the little plastic piece that says 50 on the motor cover. That's the rattling you're hearing. It's not that the motor's fixing to blow up. I made a video a while back of us fishing and somebody commented, "That thing's blown up." If it was blown up, it probably wouldn't be running. It probably wouldn't have ran that long if it was blown up anyway. So it's not about to blow up. It's not blown up. It's just that little plastic piece rattling. Sorry for the wind. Woo, it's cold, y'all. It is cold. I can just tell you. It is cold. But again, try and block this wind for a minute. Hopefully you can hear me over that motor. If you have a water hose and you can hook it up to a water hose and you can't get it to the lake, most definitely hook it up to the muffs and run it at least once a month. But if you can bring it to the water, you can let it sit in the water. If you can take it out across through there, it would be even better. I just don't feel like doing that today. It's kind of cold, so. Some would say if you come this far, why not? But I'll tell you why. This wind is cold. Just go ahead and tell you. I'm gonna let it idle for a few minutes. Once it finally gets settled, I'll let it idle. Right now I got it about quarter throttle, I guess. Just kind of sitting. Woo! Shoot! It's cold, y'all. I'm here to tell you, it is cold. I thought about going this afternoon about lunchtime. It was probably, I don't know, it's about 57 or 8 degrees. Now it's like 42 or something. And the wind's blowing. Woohoo! Woohoo! God, it's cold out here. I ain't even joking. It's colder than witch's titty and breast bride. Woo! I didn't get to finish what I was saying earlier. If you can't come out and run it, you can't hook it up to the moss or anything, you don't have time, you don't have the area, the space or anything, definitely use fuel stabilizer, use ethanol-free gas, and run all the water and the fuel out of it. Make sure all the water's out of the cooling system, and make sure that you run all the fuel out of it. So like when I pull it up out of here in just a minute, I want to make sure that I got all the water out of it and all the fuel out of the lines. Since I'm not using it for another month, you know, I just don't want no gas sitting in the lines. Over the summer, close to the spring, I was using it 2 to 3 times a week. So I mean, that versus once a month on something as old as a 1989 two-stroke, you know, it's not good for it. Have to sit that long. It's finally running good though. It sounds really good. It's running like a top. Running like a top. Way to keep running like a top's take care of it. When I bought this boat, it had been sitting like most used boats. It had been sitting, and let me see if I can get off this thing without breaking my neck. Most used boats, it had been sitting. Try to get beside this truck, block this windshield. Here it goes again. Idling back up a little bit. I kind of want to take it out on the water, but I don't want to freeze, so I don't think I'm going to fool with it today. I need to get that tire back up there anyway. And hopefully it doesn't blow out before I can get. I'm gonna be so incredibly mad if it blows out before I get back. Oh, I'm gonna be TO'd. You will know. I'll add it in this video if it blows out, I promise. I will definitely add it in there. Phew. How's your mom and them? It is cold, y'all. It is freezing cold. Phew. This is Lake Lanier. For those maybe wondering, those maybe don't know where I'm at. This is Lake Lanier. Bayless Creek boat ramp. Last year, earlier in the year, there's a dude at that dock right there. The water level was up. I don't know, it's probably up to about right in there or so. It was up a lot further than this. And the guy pulls his boat in here, pulls it up to neutral, turned it off, let his family get off the boat. He crunk it back up. The prop fell off in the water right there, and he couldn't get it. I mean, you gotta think the water was, I don't know, probably 6 foot higher than it is now. You couldn't just see it. And at that time, this motor didn't run very good. It just barely would. I mean, I had to do all I could do just to keep it running, constantly in the throttle, out of the throttle, and just to idle it up and then kick it into gear and take off, you know. Well, he's like, man, can you pull me over here so I can get it on the trailer? It's like, look, man, I can barely get the boat, my boat itself, on the trailer by itself, let alone try to help you. I was like, I don't mean to be rude, but that's just facts, dude. So he swam that boat. He swam that boat all the way. It was a nice sized cabin cruiser too. I mean, it wasn't no little bitty, 10 boat like this one. He swam that thing all the way around here, threw somebody a rope, pulled it up on the trailer. I think he worked on that thing. He worked on trying to get that thing out. No, I wasn't here very long. I got it on the trailer and I got out. And when I told him that I couldn't pull him with that, he got mad. And when I tried to offer to help him, he didn't want it anymore. So he didn't want no help anymore. So whatever. I wasn't trying to be rude. I was just being honest. Now the boat runs good. I could pull it, but it didn't before. I guarantee you that. Now, let's get up here and idle it down. Oh, I don't have a fast idle stick on the steel. Now let's see if it'll sit at idle. For any length of time. Nope. Sure won't. Well, let's see here. I'm gonna set y'all up. Set y'all up here again. Hang out with me right there for a minute. I'll fire it back off again. Oh, there's one. I went ahead and put it in gear. It's probably not the best idea to sit there and let it do this right here, but I'm gonna do it anyway, just because it needs to run like this for a second. It needs to be running in prop mode. Back into neutral, I'll sit it idle for a minute. There we go. Now it's idling. See if I take it out of the water. It started raining. It's raining right now. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Neutral idle. Perfect. That's good. Now if this tire will hold up, get me back over there where I can park it, we can call it a good day. Just let it finish running that water out of there like that. Water finish running out of there. It finish running out. running that water out of there. Make sure it get all of it out. Now look, 10,000 people could winterize boats or do it 10,000 different ways. 10,000 people could do it 10,000 different ways. So if you have a better way of doing it, tell me in the comments. I would appreciate it. Any advice that you could give me, I would appreciate it. Not that, you know, I don't need everybody acting stupid and telling me how dumb I am in the comments. I don't need that, because they do it every day. Educate me, please. I would appreciate it, because we're just gonna let the water drain out of this saw gun right here. Looks like me when I wake up in the morning. You heard me? Boy, she's greased up in there. Yep, we're about good. Let it finish draining out. She dries a bone in there. If you're wondering what all this is, it's lights and what have you on there. All right, we're strapped down. Everything looks good. Hopefully we can get this tire right here. Look at that. Hopefully we can get that back over there to the shop. Now I know that now that I know it needs to be changed, I can work on getting it changed. All right. If this video helps you any at all, like, comment, subscribe. It's cold. I'm getting out of here. I want that thing. I want to get it back so that thing don't blow out. Appreciate it. See y'all next time.